Today, we are talking about the TD Go Visa prepaid card. The first thing I have to say is that I have one of these cards, and my thoughts about it is I don't like it because of the fees. And I also don't like it because of the restrictions that the card has. The card, when I either shop at a merchant or like for a bill, they don't accept bill pay, first of all. And second of all, they don't accept that type of card because it's a prepaid card. Another reason why I do not like this card is because the fees. So it's a $3 fee for out-of-network ATMs. So if I don't use a TD Bank ATM and I use a ATM that's not TD Bank's ATM, it would charge me a $3 fee. Plus, whoever is the owner of the ATM would charge me a fee as well. So that's probably like $9 taken out of my bank account because TD Bank charged a fee as well as the owner of that other ATM. This is why I like the Capital One teen checking account, but I'm gonna leave that for another video because this is a TD Bank review. This is the type of fees that TD Bank charges the TD Go card. So there's a $0 monthly fee, but, because this is what tricked me right here. They will charge me $2.50 a month for inactivity. If there is no transactions, no activity on the account for 12 months, they would charge me $2.50 a month. Who wants to be charged any money? Like, you just want to use the account with no fees. Also, this is one of the most fees I hate. I hate because I'm probably going to add it up right now, and I'm going to tell you how much money my mom has thrown away to the bank because they decided to charge a $1 fee. Every time my mom gives me allowance on my card, they charge me $1. $1. Why are they charging me $1 to fund my card? That makes no sense. Why are you charging me $1 to fund my card? Like, what are you doing with that money? Come on, TD Bank. You shouldn't be charging me money to fund the card. Another thing is, there's no mobile app. So I have to go to Safari or Google Chrome and search up TD Go card to access my account and see transactions. There is no overdraft. My funds are eligible for FDIC insurance. So if TD Bank fails, my money is not going anywhere. Let's go ahead and look at the more TD Go card fees. When you first open up the account, they charge $4.95 for the card. You cannot open the account without adding money to the card. So once you open the account, you have to put $20 on there. If you don't put $20 on the card, the account is not going to open, and it's going to tell you that you need to add money on the card in order for it to be open. They have direct deposit, which you're routing an account number. So if you have a job, you can give your employer your routing and account number so they can fund your account, your check that you deserve, without being charged a fee. This bank account does not accept bill payment. Online bill payment feature is not available. 16-digit card number can be used to pay bills at any merchant that accepts Visa. So yeah, that's one of the good things. TD Go card also charges a $3 fee for international ATM withdrawal. So you cannot take money out of an ATM if you are in Canada and not in the US without being charged a fee. So just keep that in mind, that taking money out of an ATM will cause you to lose $3 extra. So if you take out $10 out of ATM, you only get $7 because the fee.
What if you get $1?
What?
What if you get $1 ATM?
Well then, I'm sorry, there's no more money in ATM. If you also literally just put your card in the international ATM to check your balance, you would be charged a fee as well. And I don't like that. The card replacement, $5. $5 for a card. All right. If you want express delivery for the card, is $25. So you will be charged $25 if you request for express delivery, which is, I believe, 2 to 5 business days. If you want a card replacement, that is, I believe, 7 to 12 business days. And don't think that that card is coming with UPS or FedEx, because it's going to be coming with USPS. So just keep that in mind. These are the fees that TD Go card charges. I am dissatisfied because of the fees. They have so much fees. Like, I don't like fees. Like, Capital One, I'm gonna keep this for another video. This video is about TD Bank, but for those of you that don't like TD Bank, make sure you subscribe, because I'm gonna be posting a video about the Capital One Teen checking account, and it comes with a debit card. You can, like, I'm not gonna say too much because it's a TD Bank video, but yeah. So if you're looking forward to a TD Go card and you are interested in this card, you can click the link down below in this video, and you can go ahead and go check them out if you want this card. But just keep in mind that if you get this card, you will need to have your mom or dad or uncle, whoever is getting this card for you, you need to add $20 in the account, first of all. Second, they need your social security number, and you need to be, one moment.
For accuracy and quality, this call may be recorded and monitored.
The minimum age for a card is 18 years old.
You said 18 years old?
The minimum age for a card, yes, 18.
All right, thank you. You have a good day. They literally told me 18 years old. That's another thing I don't like. They're not fully trained. They literally tell me inaccurate information. Why are they telling me inaccurate information? I'm 15 years old, and they told me the minimum age is 18 years old. If I'm 18 years old, why do I need a TD Go card with my mom on the account? If I'm 18 years old, I'm able to get my own account, and no one can be on the account with me. I can be by myself, because no one needs to be monitoring my transactions. I can do whatever I want. Another thing I like, though, you are able to set up account alerts. So if you see if any transactions go on your card, you're able to get an alert, an email, or a text message, or both if you like, stating how much the amount was and what is the remaining balance on your card/account. They will also send you an alert if you have declined transactions, new funds loaded, if the card status has been changed, low balance, when your profile has been updated, and if there is adult, I don't know how to say that word, adult orientated purchases, which means if there is inappropriate things brought with the card, the parent will get an alert. It's telling them that something inappropriate has been brought with your son, daughter's card.
Like what?
Don't worry. You have the ability to suspend your card if there has been fraud, or if you lost your card. You are able to suspend the card, and no purchases cannot be made, and no transactions can be made. Although there can be resuming transactions, like a merchant refunding you, direct deposit, just money being added onto the account. You can't use it if it's suspended. You cannot use it. You are able to unsuspend your card, calling the customer service, or telling your mom to unsuspend the card, because you're only able to suspend it, and you can only unsuspend it calling the customer service. You can suspend it with the automated system, or you can suspend it with the online website. The one last thing I like about this card is that you are able to add it to mobile wallet / Apple Pay. You can add it to make purchases with Apple Pay, and you are able to just tap your phone and pay. And as well as this card is contactless payments, so you're able to tap your card and go on your way. Just keep in mind that your card has to be at least 2 inches close to the terminal, and your card will get approved or it can get declined. Do not try to use your card when it's suspended, because the transaction will not come through. And yeah, the last thing, you're able to get ATM cash at an ATM or point of sale. You can get at an ATM. You can only take out $60. I believe $60 in a week. And you are able to get cash back at a point of sale. So if I go to ShopRite with my mom and I brought some candy, let's say I brought some Jolly Ranchers, and I pay for it, they give you an option if you want cash back. You are able, that's basically cash back. So you put $20, you get $20. The cash register lady or male will give you $20, and it will either be counted as more on the bill, or you will see a deductible of $20 on your account. So either, let's say the Jolly Ranchers is $10 and I ask for a $20 cash back, you're gonna see that ShopRite charged me $30 because of the $10 for the Jolly Ranchers and because of the $20 from the cash back that I requested. So 20 plus 10, that's 30. Or you can see the $10 from Jolly Ranchers that I brought at ShopRite, or you can see, and you can see that there's a minus 20 in my account because of the cash back that I requested from ShopRite. There's so much stuff that comes with this card. So basically, there's a dispute team if there's unauthorized transactions, fraudulent transactions, or a transaction that an error has occurred. Basically, they will fight for you. They will try to. You just have to send mail back and forth, and you have to make sure that you're providing accurate information to TD Bank so they can give it to the merchant and they can try to fight for you. There is a Visa zero liability. You will not be held accountable for purchases that you do not make. Basically, you will only be responsible for transactions that you make with your card. So if someone else steals your card and they use your card, you are not held responsible. You are not held responsible for whoever used that card. Whoever used your card will be responsible, and they will be bring consequences for their actions, legal consequences by law enforcement and the issuing bank that card came from. But other than that, my thoughts on this card is I like it a little bit, but it's just the fees I don't like, because they charge me $1 every time my mom funds my card, and I don't like that. She doesn't like that. That's why she started to give me allowance through Apple Cash, because Apple Cash does not charge a $1 fee. I'm about to add up how much money that $1 added up from all the time she gave me allowance. I'm about to be back with you guys. I'm gonna tell you how much $1 went to waste. Alright guys, so altogether, my mom has spent $46, and that $46 has went to the bank, and that's from the dollar fee that every time my mom gave me allowance. So basically my mom gave me allowance 46 times since I had this card. And yeah, another thing I like is, well, I don't really like it because no one ever done it for me, but you can also add friends and family to fund this card. Just know that your friend or family will also be charged a dollar fee. If I was someone's dad, like, I would want to give my son money without being charged a fee, because like my son wants his money and I want him to learn how to save, or my daughter wants her money and I want her to learn how to save. This is like my thoughts of this card, and I don't really like it because of all the fees and stuff and the restrictions that it has. I'm not able to pay bills or anything like that. But the thing I like about Capital One is that when you want to withdraw money at an ATM, if I put my Capital One card in a TD Bank ATM, Capital One won't charge me. They won't charge me, just TD Bank, which I like because Capital One doesn't have that fee, but TD Bank does have that fee. So if I put my TD Bank card in a Capital One ATM, TD Bank will charge me as well as Capital One, which is like $7, and I want my $7. Like, why are you trying to take my money? I'm trying to save up. Honestly, if I had to choose between TD Bank and Capital One, I would choose Capital One because, like, Capital One, they have, like, more accurate agents. Like, they answer my questions accurately. You see how I just called TD Bank and they told me you have to be at least 18 years or older? Like, I'm literally 15 years old and I have this card, and she told me that I have to be 18 years old, the minimum. Does that make sense? This is a card meant for teenagers. Alright guys, so my camera just died. I mean, it didn't die, but it ran out of memory, so I need to buy a new memory card. But yeah, my point is that I was just trying to figure out what's the minimum age that I can get a TD Gold card at. But obviously, they need to be better trained. That's my first suggestion. If any TD Bank representative or any TD Bank supervisor is watching this video, you should train your agents more so that people get more accurate information, because you don't want to be telling people inaccurate information. You want them to make sure that they are telling you accurate information, because if I was actually looking forward to getting this card, you would just lose a patient right there, because that mom or dad or uncle, whoever, parent or guardian is trying to get that person a card, they would be like, oh, okay, so you can't get this card because you have to be 18 years old, which is wrong because I have this card right now. So basically, like, you just lost somebody to be a TD Bank card holder and card account holder because you told them that you have to be 18 years or older. So yeah, I would choose Capital One because Capital One doesn't have any fees and they have more accurate information, and they, even though they're not open 24 hours, I would rather want more accurate information than them being open 24 hours because, yeah, I'll just leave that for a separate video. Just stay tuned. If you want to know about the Capital One video I'm going to make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell so you get notified about that video. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you want to see any more bank videos, or if you want to know anything about something in life, just let me know in the comments. And it's your boy Justin, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.